Inspired Flight and Phase 1 announce new integrated solution. By DroneLife staff writer Ian M. Crosby. Commercial sUAS manufacturer, Inspired Flight Technologies and aerial photography system developer, Phase 1 have announced the launch of a new plug-and-play solution which integrates the Inspired Flight IF1200A and the Phase 1 P3 camera. The solution brings together advanced aerial imaging and flexible operations to serve a broad range of surveying and inspection applications. Our customer base in both the mapping and inspection markets made it clear to us that integrating tightly with Phase 1 is critical to their business goals and future growth, said Inspired Flight product manager and co-founder Marc Stollmeyer. The Phase 1 team was great to work with during the integration effort, and we can't wait to bring this new capability to the market on an industry-leading NDAA-compliant UAS. We're looking forward to deepening this partnership and continuing to make Inspired Flight and Phase 1 one of the go-to UAV solutions for inspections, said Phase 1 Unmanned Portfolio Director Michael Messerschmidt. With this plug-and-play solution, customers have an exceptional opportunity to increase their data quality, end-to-end productivity, and operational safety using a proven UAV platform. We are confident that our joint solution will empower customers to conduct more efficient missions with unrivaled performance. The Inspired Flight and Phase 1 integration solution combines both market-leading products in order to provide numerous benefits, such as increased efficiency, complete camera control, and the ability to write GNSS data directly on an image. The Phase 1 P3 payload features a high-resolution 100 MP XM camera specially made for UAVs. It includes a BSI sensor with a maximum dynamic range of 83 dB, a rangefinder with smart focus, and a wide range of lenses.